Hey everyone! Today we will be unboxing this package from Beebeecraft. I'm really excited. If you haven't heard of Beebeecraft, I will leave all of Beebeecraft's information down below. They have a YouTube partnership program where you can partner up with them and receive free supplies in exchange for making these videos showing how you would use their supplies that you choose. So today there are 3 different items that I should be receiving, and that is going to be some stickers, I believe, stencils, and some washi tape for my bullet journaling. So here it is. I'm just gonna get rid of all the extra papers and packaging, and you can see the 3 separate items: the washi tape, the stencil, and the Flower of Life stickers. So I'm really excited about these Flower of Life stickers. They look really nice, nicer than the pictures that I saw on their website, and I think they're going to be perfect for the type of washi tape design that I chose as well. So that is going to be for May's bullet journaling weekly spreads or monthly spreads. I haven't decided yet. So here you can see the actual sticker, and it's pretty decent quality, but I wouldn't be able to find out how nice they are until I actually use them. I am sorry, there is a little bit of a glare, and I do have to apologize that the original audio didn't work out too well, as you couldn't hear what I was saying as I recorded this. So I did mute the original audio, and I'm just doing a voiceover like I usually do for my art videos, just in case you were wondering why you don't hear the package unwrapping and any of the background noises that you should be hearing. So those are the stickers. I'm gonna now move on to the stencils. I don't remember how many stencils I have. I should have counted them, but I didn't. But it's okay. If you can tell, the stencils are all mandala type stencils. Since I do like a lot of my geometric designs, I'm really looking forward to saving a lot of time when I want to add any type of geometric designs to my art without having to create original designs and do all the measurements myself. So I'm just gonna make some room here so I can show the mandala designs one by one. And I just grabbed a black sheet of paper so it can be easier visible. I really like this first design already. It's really nice, and I feel it's pretty intricate, and that's gonna be really useful for my mandala designs and any background that I want to add using these. So here's the second one. It kind of looks like a flower, a rose. It's really nice. And here's the third one. This is not so much as a mandala design, it's more of a nice corner design, which I feel like will be really useful for a border type design if I wanted to do that. Just gonna fast forward some of these designs just for time purposes. And here's the last one. Okay, so I'm going to put away that black piece of paper, and now I'm going to open the washi tape. This is my favorite part of the shipment today. I'm really excited to use these. I was originally going to buy my first set of washi tape when I started bullet journaling, and I wasn't sure if I was going to like it, so I was kind of procrastinating buying that, and that's when I decided to give Beebeecraft a shot at their YouTube partnership program. So here are the 5 washi tapes. I think the packaging are really cute. And you can see the design of the tape peeking through right there. I really like the gold and the multicolor in this one, but it's kind of hard to see it, so I'm going to open the package and try not to ruin the cute packaging. I'm just gonna quickly open all of the packages so we can get a better look at the designs of each of the washi tape. Alright, so that's the last washi tape that I unpacked. I just wanted to take a closer look at it. It's a really nice gold intricate design that seems to be the theme of all of these washi tapes in this package. It's gonna go really well with the Flower of Life gold stickers for my bullet journaling. And this one here has kind of a flower-like design as well. And this is the first one that we already saw with the rainbow iridescent color to it. Here they are, all lined up and easier to see. I'm super excited to use these, and I'm gonna put the Flower of Life stickers next to it, as I most likely will be using them together, and see how they look for my weekly spreads. I'm just gonna grab the stencils and bring them back into the picture so you see the Beebeecraft haul here all in one shot. Alright, so that is my first Beebeecraft haul. I'm really excited to use these, and will update you on what I do create with them. And if you are interested, once again, I will leave Beebeecraft's information down in the description box below if you wanted to join their YouTube program and get some free craft supplies as well. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see all of you beautiful souls in the next one. Bye for now.